Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up your game saves and settings so you can revert if needed. Next, open FNF Mobile and go directly to Settings, then Controls or Input. This is where mapping's live. If an option to enable custom controls or developer mode exists, turn it on now so you can remap freely. Once done, make sure touch calibration is correct. Miscalibration will make new mappings feel wrong. Now you're ready to change actual button assignments. You now remap. Tap any on-screen control to select it, then press the new area or gesture you want to use. Test each change immediately using the in-menu practice or a quick song. That confirms both registration and timing. Adjust sensitivity and dead zone sliders to avoid accidental presses or missed notes. Lower dead zone for precision, raise for stability. Also assign hold versus tap behaviors for long notes, because proper gesture mapping prevents missed beats under pressure. Finish by saving your control profile and immediately testing it with a short, familiar song so you feel timing and comfort. If inputs seem off, recalibrate touch, check screen protector interference, and compare to your backup. Restoring is quick if needed. For persistent issues, clear app cache, restart the device, and only then reinstall. If remapping still fails, confirm the app version supports custom controls. Older builds may lock inputs. One tip: try a different finger placement to rule out hardware touch dead zones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.